Hi guys, my name is Ryan Potter and today we're going to be doing a glam look. Alright, so my first step is usually priming my face, and then after I prime my face, I like to go in with a medium to full coverage foundation. After my foundation, I'll go with concealer, powder, and then just get the base all in check. So I don't like looking super heavily contoured, but for blush, I definitely like going in with a super heavy hand on the blush, super colorful cheeks, and then for highlight, I like kind of more of like a minimal glow.
Let's bring the house down.
For my brows, I usually like to start off on the base of my brows. Kind of get the tail all nice and in check.
Let's bring the house.
For the eye look, I went for a neutral eye look, so I went in with just like really warm colors on the eyelid. I used a little bit of glitter just to kind of make it a little more exciting. And then for the pop of color, I went with a teal to match the backdrop. To complete the glam look, I went ahead and added liner and lashes because I feel like no glam look is complete without it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.